We open up, we see a little movement down. Now, what I want us to look at on this next movement up, we traded the upside this day, but we see aggressive volume off the open. This is pretty typical. I usually disregard this first 5-minute candle, and then a second move, a third move, and a fourth move, but we're not seeing a lot of follow through to the downside. Now on this fifth candle up, this isn't something that I really want to see necessarily off the rip for upside. Why? Because we have an aggressive green candle with not a lot of extra volume on it. Now that being said, on this particular candle, we have the same volume as the previous 3 ones, but there's no wick to the downside. That's what I want you to understand, is price sometimes will go up on lesser volume. So we have to be a little cautious rejecting that. That's why I always want to see a second confirmation, not just volume. After this initial move down, an aggressive, move up, at this point, I'm looking for us to break pre-market high, confirm, and look for calls. Now we play this a little further. On this second and third candle up, we see this move up. We see another move up with no wick down, similar volume. This shows us, hey, this candle was all buying, but I'm still not completely sold on this. Now in Team Bull, we had a nice entry. We entered on this candle with stops somewhere in between this impulse candle here if we close below these pre-market lows. But your real confirmation comes on this third candle up. You see we have an aggressive move up. We have aggressive buying volume. This tells us that this thing is ready to rocket. And as we see here, let's go ahead and let's mark out our trade too, just so you guys can see how this plays out. We'll put a long position on here. All right. Stops below opening print to be safe. And because of that, we're going to target up to this 527 area to give us a 2R to 3R trade. Now we have a little back and forth consolidation, and we finally get that aggressive move up.